The project Loonse and Drunense Duinen was done by the Avans students as a part of the Environmental Geography minor. The study area is located in North Brabant in the Netherlands, where sand and unique habitat were remained from the Ice Age. This area is threatened by the fast-growing vegetation. This process is called ecological succession. Our main clients are the province of North Brabant, the Nature Monument, and the Public Institute for Health and Environment. The purposes of the project were to come up with a management strategy, to create a monitoring plan, and to visualize the changes in the vegetation in a period of 14 weeks. The following methods were used during the project: fieldwork, which consisted both droning and sample taking; laboratory work, where pH, ammonium, nitrate, nitrogen kilo, and total nitrogen were measured in both water and soil samples. The GIS work included aerial photography and creation of classification and succession map. Now I continue with the results and conclusions. First, the pH was measured. The soil samples had an acidic pH between 3 and 5. The rainwater samples had a neutral pH, and the pH of the groundwater samples were between 5 and 7. After the dry period, the nitrous oxides concentrations were sensed to be the highest on the topsoil layer. This nitrous oxide might come from the main traffic roads which are surrounding the park. After the wet period, the ammonium concentrations were rising. This can mostly come from the air in form of precipitation, such as rain and snow. That is why this is a sign for the presence of the wet nitrogen deposition. While the ammonium was rising, the nitrate concentration was decreasing over the time in this period. The GIS results show that the sandy area was around 30% in 1955, and then it has been drastically decreased until 2011. This time the management strategy plan was implemented, which resulted in a slight and slow increase in sandy area over the years. However, the areas where the forest or the topsoil were removed became mostly grassy areas. Finally, we advise and recommend our clients the following. We advise to our province to use the Brabant newsletter to inform the public, to check the implementation of the monitoring and management plans. We advise for nature monuments to make use of the students and volunteers for monitoring the area, to place signs showing changes in the park, to use drone with infrared camera for comparison of vegetation. At least we advise for the RIVM to assess vegetation layers in the Atlas Natural Capital using 3 locations and classification using detailed classification in Atlas Natural Capital. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and if you want to know more detailed information about the project, please visit our blogs.